Surface Disinfection Instructions by Dentaqua. Discard any residual disinfectant and fill bottles with fresh aerosol disinfectant once per week. Disinfect touch points and surfaces per local guidelines. Aerosol disinfectant is safe to use on upholstery, cabinets, door handles and all standard clinic surfaces. Dentaqua is a proud winner of New Product of the Year and the Global Sustainability Seal Award. Dentaqua, a disinfectant that reduces failed water tests, replaces single-use wipes, and saves on costs.